Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome. A true engineering marvel, this two-story motorhome sets new standards for space, comfort, and innovation. First, let's talk about the interior. GMC has gone above and beyond with the 2026 Double Decker, creating a living experience unlike anything else on wheels. As you step inside, you're greeted with an expansive, multi-level interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The lower deck features a grand lounge area with premium leather seating, a massive flat-screen TV, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. A panoramic glass wall provides breathtaking views on the road. The kick-in rivals those in high-end homes, with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in coffee machine, and even a wine cellar for those who enjoy the finer things in life. Upstairs, the master suite includes a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with spa-inspired fixtures, ensuring ultimate comfort wherever you travel. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is a commanding presence on the road. Its bold aerodynamic lines combine American toughness with modern elegance. The exterior is finished with premium dual-tone metallic paint for both style and durability. A massive retractable awning creates an ideal outdoor living space, while the full-length windows emphasize its two-story design. The custom alloy wheels and iconic GMC badge highlight its exclusivity, while the reinforced double-decker chassis ensures unmatched stability and strength. Every detail of the exterior is crafted to make this motorhome stand out as the centerpiece of any journey. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is powered by a beastly 8.0-liter V12 turbocharged engine engineered for both strength and endurance. Whether you're cruising on highways or conquering steep mountain roads, this motorhome delivers uncompromising performance. Paired with an adaptive air suspension system, the ride remains smooth and controlled even on rough terrain. Its advanced multi-gear transmission shifts seamlessly, balancing sheer power with driving comfort. On top of that, GMC equips this motorhome with cutting-edge driver assist technologies, making maneuvering such a large double-decker surprisingly intuitive. This is not just a motorhome, it's a high-tech powerhouse on wheels. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is positioned at the very top of the luxury RV market, and its pricing reflects that. With a starting price of around $750,000, it's not built for the budget-conscious buyer, but rather for those who demand the ultimate in space, luxury, and performance. The investment includes all bespoke features, advanced engineering, and the craftsmanship that defines GMC's flagship model. Owning this motorhome is not simply about transportation. It's about embracing a lifestyle of freedom and luxury on an entirely new level. To sum up, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is an extraordinary fusion of innovation, performance, and comfort. With its spacious double-decker design, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious amenities, it redefines what a motorhome can be. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or seeking the ultimate mobile retreat, the GMC Double Decker delivers beyond expectations. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.